here at the post office. I just went in to check my P.O. box and it looks like I got a couple of holiday cards. So I'm going to go ahead and open these and show them to you. These are my first holiday cards of the season. Oh my gosh, you guys, so I'm embarrassed. I have a Halloween card here that's been sitting in my mailbox for Lord knows how long. Admittedly, it's been a while since I checked my P.O. box, but I imagine this has probably been sitting here since October, and I feel awful that I have not recognized this beautiful little handmade card that I got from Glenda. So Glenda, if you're watching this, I did get your Halloween card. I apologize for not thanking you for this sooner. I feel awful about this. This is like real life here. I dropped the ball. So, I'm going to send you a little holiday card in return. Thank you for this. This is so cute. The other card is this gorgeous little snowflake card that is, and this card is from Dawn and Ariana. So thank you so much for my first official holiday card of the season. I appreciate it. Be on the lookout for a card in return. So now that I am done here at the post office, I'm going to run over to Dollar Tree to pick up a couple things before I head home. But I just love getting mail, so thank you so much. All of this just came out of the bottom of my purse. This is ridiculous. So I'm getting my purse all cleaned out. Clearly I need to come up with a better method for receipts. Typically, or I guess ideally, I keep them in this little pocket here in my wallet, but clearly they don't always make it there. So I need to do something better. Obviously, because this is a mess. I also had raisins in my purse, which is interesting. Just a little snack, I guess. I'm going to do a whole video on this purse at some point. This is a big Buddha bag that I got from Walmart online. It's a super cute bag. Clearly, it holds a ton of things. And I love it. But yeah, I definitely need to get better about the trash. Do you guys carry around a bajillion things in your bag, and is it always just garbage, or are you super organized? Let me know in the comments below, because clearly I'm a hot mess. Alright, so that's better. Everything fits in there now. There's not a humongous pile of receipts and trash and snacks. Just everything that I need and nothing extra. If you guys haven't cleaned out your purse in a while, I challenge you to go and do that, because it feels so much better having it done. And if you guys want to see a what's in my bag video on this purse, let me know, because I'm loving it. Say hi. Say hi, Robbie. Hi. Brought my boys to lunch. I'm filming on my phone because I left my camera at home. So Robbie got a shrimp basket, although it didn't come in a basket. That's disappointing. Not really. Did you just steal one of my french fries? You stole one of his french fries? You stole somebody's fries. Thank you.
Everything local pay for you?
Yes. Can I have a side of ranch?
That's right. That does come from me.
Thank you. Rustin got French toast with whipped cream and strawberry topping. And I've got a patty melt here with french fries. Alright, you guys, suddenly it is 6 o'clock in the evening. The day got away from me. I don't know how it got to be so late already, but I'm getting ready to put some dinner on. We are just going to do some of these seasoned french fries with some chili dogs. Super easy. I was going to make venison stroganoff, and both of the kids said no, they didn't want that. They want this instead. Can you blame them? So I'm going to put these french fries into my air fryer. This is my most used kitchen appliance. I absolutely love it. The Kasori air fryer is phenomenal. It's got a huge basket. We use it practically every day. So, yeah, I'm going to get these in, cook up some hot dogs. I have a couple of cans of no bean chili, and that's going to basically be it. I'm not even hungry. I fell asleep on the couch for like an hour and a half and woke up all sorts of discombobulated. No wonder half the day got away from me. So I'm probably not going to have this. I might just have like a sandwich or something later. But this is what the kids are going to have, so I'm going to throw this together for them really quickly. And the really cool thing is now a lot of these things actually have air fryer instructions. The air fryer has become so popular with people that they put instructions right on there, so that's cool. This is preheat air fryer to 360, which I didn't preheat mine, but it does have a preheat setting on it. And then 10 minutes for half a bag, blah, 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 shake halfway through. I'm going to do the whole bag, so it'll take a little bit longer, but I'm going to set mine for 360 for 10 minutes to get it started. And there are, like, presets here. You can use the French fry button or the frozen food option, but I love my air fryer. And I just came on my phone to check and see how the vlog was doing, and apparently it did not go live at 6 o'clock like it was supposed to. I bet you anything that I set it up to go live tomorrow at 6 p.m., which I do all the time. Usually I catch it, but I was pretty tired. Hence the falling asleep on the couch thing. So I need to go in and fix this and get it up. Sorry that the vlog was just a little bit late, you guys. There we go, now it's live. I had it set for tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. How I did that, I don't know. That's what happens when you edit while you're sleepy. But now it's up. Hopefully you guys saw that video and you didn't mind it going up just like 20 minutes late. Not terrible, but it really bums me out because I've been doing so well with getting everything put up on time. Plus, I actually had all the work done. I just scheduled it wonky because I'm ridiculous. So that's a bummer, but at least it's up. So let me know if you guys even noticed that it was late. I bet you most of you didn't even notice. I'm sure that nobody is sitting there at 6 p.m. refreshing my YouTube page looking for my video. But yeah, it's up now, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. So Eric is working late tonight, and so I'm having a super fun, very exciting Friday evening at home. I just sat down here and I'm sitting down with my budget book and my planner, and I'm going to do some writing down, some journaling and stuff, update my budget for the day, and watch some YouTube videos. That's my super exciting Friday night. What did you guys spend your Friday night doing? Hopefully something much more glamorous than I, but typically this is what Friday nights look like even when my husband's not working. We are not crazy exciting folks. Yeah, YouTube videos and updating my budget. Super, super glamorous is my life. Aren't you guys excited that you get to come along and witness all of this glamour? So I just spent a full 10 minutes staring at my budget, trying to figure out how in the world I had $4 in my bank less than what I thought I should have. And I was frantically searching all of my transactions because I knew that I had all my money accounted for, but somehow my total that I should have left in my bank account on paper was saying I should have $4 more than what I actually had in my bank. Now, $4 is not that big of a deal. You can see I have a $50 buffer in here just for situations like that. But it was making me crazy trying to figure it out. And finally, I'm looking at it, and I realized that I had written my lot rent down at $482 instead of $486. My lot rent is always $486. Ever since we lost Patches and they took off the $20 pet fee that we were paying, it's been $486 for the last couple of months. Why I wrote $482, I don't know. I guess I just had a little brain fart or something, but that is where that extra $4 went. I had paid $486, but for some reason I had written down $482. So now all of my numbers match up again, and I'm feeling much better. Doesn't matter how long I budget, I still make a mistake every single month, and that is the reason I write everything in erasable pen.